This year I decided to focus on travel the world. I quit my job, bought a camera, and won my flight ticket. This trip was all about creating memories while focusing on doing something I love. I went 100% out of my comfort zone, and I discovered a whole new world, which exposed me to so many situations I've never thought that I will go through. Even though it's hard to summarize those experiences, I did my best. And I hope you will enjoy it as much as I did. So the first stop, South America. In those 8 months in South America, I've gone through so much. I met people and cultures, and I saw things I've never imagined existed. I laughed, I cried, I smiled, and I even fell in love. After all the ice and the cold, it's time to warm up a little bit. It's time for Central America: Costa Rica, Guatemala, Belize, and Mexico. Here we go!
Dreams were nobody else.
Champions!
Your tears to the tide.
Obrigado, amigo.